What's poppin', everybody? I'm back with another episode. So it's gonna be another push day. Again, I've been following back to back with these push day episodes, but hey, as long as we're getting some fucking content in, running this shit up, we're gonna see what we can get down, alright? But I am feeling a little janky just because I had a pretty shitty weekend, you know. And look, I'm not gonna lie, like I had a couple of more drinks than I wanted to. You know, I ate a little bit more than I wanted to. We just had the Canelo fight, so it's like, you know, we gotta go all out with this Mexican shit every once in a while. You know, it just kind of comes out when, you know, Mexicans get together, we barbecue a little bit, and you drink a little bit more than you wanted to, right? But hey, it's something that I'm working on slowly but surely. Like, I'm starting to set limits to my drinking habits, and either way, I've been doing a lot better for the last couple months. You know, I used to drink like a motherfucker just a couple years ago, and it's a bit of a process to kind of get that habit just out the way. And don't get me wrong, I control it for the most part because I have still losing weight and all that. But at the end of the day, actually this week I didn't really lose much weight just because of my weekend. All right, so guys, you know, you can try so damn hard to be perfect during the week, but if you go and fuck up during the weekend, like you just go all out during the weekend, you don't have any limits, you're definitely gonna fuck up your progress there. Cause think of it as, what if every day you're doing like a 500 calorie deficit, right? And that's like 5 days out the week, right? So you're pretty much you're in a 2,000 calorie deficit for 5 days in total. And then the weekend comes and you just eat fucking 4,000 or 5,000 calories both of those days, or even just one of those days, you're already up 3K plus calories. And then you end up being in a calorie surplus, and you're just fucking up all your progress, you know? And I know we don't always like to hear that, because it's like, how can you fuck up 5 days of work with just 2 days of fucking up? It's just, look at the numbers, guys. It's a numbers game at the end of the day. And if you're not balancing out your calories, you're not gonna hit your goal. You're just not gonna make progress as much as you want to, all right? But that's enough talk about calories. Let's just get this shit rolling. I'm about to get a plate on here, actually. Let's see what we got. All right, one plate. Let's see how much reps we can get out this shit.
Ryu, this is crazy.
Okay, I still got 17 reps right there, so I'll count that as a dub. It's feeling kind of tough, but that was my first rep. I just started sipping my pre-workout. I was debating on drinking some or not. I just said fuck it, but I did it a little too late. I just started sipping on it, but let's get this shit rolling. Set 2, y'all. Let me give a little tip when it comes to the incline bench in general. Just, you want to actually make sure. Oh, from what I've heard, you don't want to be arching too much with your lower back here. Just because the more of an arch, the more it almost makes the angle a little bit more flat. So try to keep your back. You can still have the arch. Don't get me wrong, I still arch a little bit here too, but I just try to not over-exaggerate it. You know, I try not to go too crazy with the arch because it does take a little emphasis off the upper chest. So do your best to try to not completely flat, but just have a smaller arch than a regular bench press, all right? Let's see how this shit goes.
This is crazy.
Okay, 16 pretty clean reps. And also you want to make sure you're pretty much tapping your chest with it. Look, you can be a couple centimeters off, but try to do your best to get close to your chest, because the farther away you are, the less you're getting a stretch on your pecs, and that's where you do all the damage, all right? Bro, I'm in this bitch yawning and shit. God damn, I swear I got a good night of sleep and everything. You know, I don't always get why I get 7 to 8 hours of sleep, but I'm not always like fully fucking ready to go. And I even took a little bit longer to get in here today in the morning because I'm switching on my schedule. I used to come in like 5 in the morning, and don't get me wrong, I did have good workouts then too, but sometimes I just felt like I was dragging ass. So, I don't know. I mean, all I know is that I usually feel a little better when I come in like a couple hours after. And so I'm gonna keep this like, I'm here around 8, 9 a.m. now, and I'm gonna see what I can do. Yeah, I mean, I'm gonna see how it goes for the next couple weeks to determine if I'm gonna keep this time schedule of it. Because if not, if I'm still feeling a little janky during 8, 9 a.m., I'm gonna just say fucking come back at 5 a.m. because, again, it wasn't too big of an issue, but sometimes I would be dragging ass. But man, I'm dragging ass right now. Okay, I'm talking shit because I'm still hitting numbers. Like, I'm still hitting the ones that is almost exactly what I did last week, which is what I'm expecting with the weekend I just had. I don't expect my strength or like body composition to get any better. But like I said, guys, I fucked up, and it's like live and learn, y'all. Live and learn. Just get right back on the horse when you fuck up. All right, don't just say, all right, I fucked up, just fuck it all, right? No. Get right back to it once you get back on your next week started, all right? But let's get it going. Set 3. Okay, that was a good break. Hit 16 again. Last but not least, I took a fat ass break because I had to delete a bunch of fucking videos. My last video I cut off, but it ain't that deep. I don't even know what the hell I was saying. All I know, we got one last set of this shit. It should be a good one. Let's see how it feels. Oh, set 4. Fuck. Oh shit. Almost lost my fucking head right there, but we're gonna call that a good last set. Next exercise. See what the fuck we get on. Sit 1 of some Arnold presses. I did some military presses with my guy at Lowe's the other day. Yo, that shit. Oh, that was crucial. After some dumbbell pressing. Oh man, my shoulders were, I don't know what's been happening recently, but my shoulders have been getting pumped the fuck up. Like, I feel them like crazy every single workout, and it's feeling fucking great. I still need to work on my chest though, because my chest has always been my weak point. And when I work out with the homies and when I work out with people that just got a crazy pressing ability, I'm just like, fuck, I need to catch up. I just think it's like a genetic thing. I was talking to my guy about it. Pretty sure it's a genetic thing, because I'm damn good at like squats, deadlifts, and all that shit, but when it comes to chest pressing and all that, like, bro, I be kind of lagging on it. But hey, slowly but surely, we're gonna work our way up there to those big numbers on the press. But for now, while we're cutting, let's just see what we got. Ugh. Oh, holy shit. I was feeling weak as hell today. I didn't get the angle right. I'm supposed to be 1 notch down. I'm a little too upright, but we'll see how this angle works out for the next one. All right, I don't know what the hell's going on right now, you guys, but I'm feeling very fucking drained. Maybe man, fuck this weekend. Like, man, I'm gonna make some changes for this one coming up. The issue is, I got shit going on, but I gotta be better at just disciplining myself to, even if I got shit going on, keep the drinking to a minimum and get my fucking sleep. Cause I'm like in a daze right now. This shit is mad weird, but whatever the fuck. Let's keep this shit rolling. Set 2, different angle. Oh, maybe I'll get some more with this one right here. Let's see. I got 15 that time. It felt better, but I just feel like, oh man, like I don't got enough carbs in me or some shit, but I had my morning shake, so I don't know what the fuck it is going on, but let's keep it rolling, y'all. Took another damn good break in between, because I got 15 in that last set. It definitely was the angle and the weight, or not just the weight, fuck. Definitely was just the angle where I was at, because I usually, again, like I do this 60 degree angle, but let's see how this next set goes. I think I'm only gonna do 3 of these, because I want to go focus more on my chest for today. See what the fuck I get out of this. Let's go. Ooh, 13 and a half. Almost 14 of those, but let's call it a wrap with those Arnold presses. I be walking around with a big scary chain. Oh, when I'm posted up, I'm selling candy cane. All right, y'all, I'm salty as fuck, cause of course I didn't check the recording after tricep extensions. Literally, that's when I stopped checking the recordings, and that's when the mic died or some bullshit. I still don't get if it dies or it just gets disconnected, but it was a little cheap Amazon mic, so it's probably disconnected with some bullshit. But whatever the fuck. Next set. Man, I'm gonna have to invest in a nicer ass mic here soon. They're just expensive as shit, and I'm just waiting for my crypto shit to go up. It might take a little bit for that to happen, but slowly we gonna get there. All right, the quality is slowly gonna be going up. All right, let's get this last set going. All right, I was talking about my caffeine addiction last set when I recorded, but yeah, no, I'm talking about I might have to take a break here soon with my caffeine, just cause I feel good now, and it's after I took a fat amount of caffeine, like 300 milligrams. So I'm like, probably one of these days is gonna be best that I just cut it for a while and see what the hell I can, see how long I can handle it. Cause I'm probably gonna have to take like a couple weeks or like a month fully off of caffeine, just to like detox myself. Technically, all you need is a week, because after that, you're just like fully cleaned out of caffeine tolerance and all that shit. So maybe I'll do a week here soon. That's a little bit more believable, because a month of that is like, sounds like crazy talk to me, but whatever the hell. Let's get this shit rolling. Set forward. Last but not least. Come on. Oh, that's all I need. Arms are shaking like a motherfucker. That's what I said last set too. But that's how you knew it's something. That's how you know you're doing something right. All right, let's keep it pushing. I'm a swing the tree branch. And that bitch, I'm about to do my Z dance. I'm on a Kodak roll right now. This shit, fucking Kodak. I used to rock with him heavy until he started, I don't know, right? He look like he on some heavy damn drugs right now. And you know, hope my boy recovers from all that shit, cause that ain't nothing to play with. Guys, like, if y'all are in a stage of life where drugs is a big part of your life, just don't forget, guys, there's more to life than fucking drugs, than drinking and partying all the time. There's a lot more to life than that shit. Look, I say that from experience. Y'all don't know, but if y'all don't know, I mean, I was definitely like, I don't know. I wouldn't consider myself an addict just because, like, I was always able to control my drug use, but that was definitely a dominant part of my life just a couple years ago. That's why I think about it all the time. I'm like, I'm just so grateful to God just because, like, I can't believe like where I came from. Like, man, I really come from, you know, shit, from the mud, y'all. Like, this shit was not easy getting out this hole that I was in. But that's another big reason why I do this shit, because I'm like, man, I know a lot of motherfuckers out there that are doing the same shit that I was doing, and it's because you think that that's what life's about. You think that drugs and partying and, you know, money and this shit that's all there is to it. But when you find out that there's a lot more to it than just distracting yourself, we got a purpose and a goal, and it's easier said than done to figure that out. But once you do, man, it's some life-changing shit, y'all. So that's why I always say, go put some fucking work in, because that's what all that shit is doing, is distracting us from the work that we got to get done. But whatever the hell, let's get this next set. Let's get this first set going in this exercise. All right, let's see what we got. Oh, fuck. Yeah, 20 reps. That's a little bit more than I wanted. I'm about to put a little bit more weight on there. Just again, I want to aim for 15 in between 20. Man, my goal, I guess 15 to like 17, 18. I feel like 20 is a little too much sometimes, but you can still get some gains if you're getting close to failure, so fuck it. Let's do it. Set 3. Oh my God, my high ass. Set 2 in this bitch. I don't even smoke before the gym no more. Whatever though, let's get it. Set 2, let's see how this goes. Oh yeah. Oh, I love this chest press, y'all. This shit right on the fucking dot. Ugh. That was That was a good one. Let's keep it rolling. This shit is feeling great, and it's even if it's our last workout, like it's feeling fucking good. Let's get this shit rolling. Set 3. Enough talking.
Ryu, this is crazy.
Oh yeah. Oh, that's what I'm talking about, y'all. I'm about to get a good ass meal after this. I'm gonna need some protein, some veggies, some little bit of carbs. I don't even know what. Actually, I do know what I got. I got some steak at home, some chicken. I'm trying to make some fajitas. You got a stir fry. I fuck with some stir fry, y'all. Don't sleep on that shit. I know I said a couple episodes ago, but get your stir fry in your diet. You're gonna be set, y'all. Let's finish this shit off. Last but not least. Oh, I'm trying to get this shit wrapped up here. Got some shit to do. Got some shit to cook. Let's see what we got. Come on.
Ryu, this is crazy.
Fucking hell. 13 reps. That's all we fucking need. Let's go wrap this up, ladies and gents. Hey, y'all, that's how we wrap up a push day. Y'all know the drill. We're gonna finish it off with a pump check. Proud of more of a progress check. Well, let's see what we got. And that's how we finish off a hell of a fucking push day, you guys. Thank y'all for tuning in. Let's keep making these fucking gains on this channel, y'all. Slowly but surely, we're gonna reach our goals. And guys, if you guys need some help with anything, hit my DM, comment down below, or just like add me on Instagram, you know, find me anywhere on social medias and just hit my fucking messages, y'all, because that's what I'm here for. Been a trainer for about 3 years now, going on to 4. And slowly but surely, I'm learning as well, but hey, it's a process, you know? Thank y'all for tapping in. I'll catch you guys on the next one, amigos y amigas. Adios.